Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel rksoftacademy. Who are watching or who are the visitor of my channel, they already know that I upload many videos on different Oracle technologies like Oracle SQL or structured query language, Oracle PL/SQL programming, that is complete Oracle PL/SQL programming, and Oracle architecture and database design, Oracle database administration, and also Unix shell scripting. So I upload all these videos on different topics on Oracle different parts, as I told, and also Unix shell scripting also. Okay, I have started a question and answer series in this tutorial channel. As you see in my screen, this is my tutorial channel, and I already uploaded many videos here, starting from very basic level to the advanced level, starting from DBMS concept, database concept, SQL, structured query language, many topics on SQL side, constraints, and complete SQL, all the topics, and also I have many advanced topics on PL/SQL programming. As you see in my screen, is cursors, exceptions, collections, arrays, explain plan. This is a database administration purpose, a materialized view. This is very advanced topics, explain plan also advanced topics, and PL SQL record. There are many videos on Oracle, Oracle architecture and DBA fundamentals, and also other videos like internal architecture of Oracle database. This is very important for a experienced Oracle developer or Oracle professional. You can just watch each videos, starting from very basic to the advanced level, according to your experience and according to your knowledge. And this is very important. Select query processing in Oracle. I completely explain what are the various steps followed by the Oracle inside the database when a select statement is processed. And these are the some other videos, and this is the complete SQL video, SQL, all the concept in one video. And also there are database designing video one, and from here I have started a question and answer series on different Oracle technologies. I actually found that it will be very useful for the candidates who are preparing for interview and who are going to interview. They can prepare yourself watching these videos and learning these concepts in detail and hands-on in practical use. Okay, I basically tried to make these videos in easy way, easy way, so that you can understand it well. And also I have explained it in the hands-on practicals. Okay, so here database, the question, very much important question, which any recruiter or any interviewer asks to the candidate from the candidate who have no experience, and also who have more than 10 years experience. Any level of experienced candidate can face these questions basically. And I actually see in my experiences, I have total of 17 years experience working with many Oracle technologies and also Unix technologies. Currently I am a senior Oracle consultant as well as a technical and corporate trainer. I'm providing training on many MNCs, and also I am a interviewer. So based on my experiences, I have started this question and answer series, so that candidate can be candidate can get the proper knowledge, and they get the idea and concept in detail, and they can success in the interview. Okay. So actually, what I face is that when I take an interview of a candidate, whether he or she is a fresher or experienced, but by these questions they are not able to proper answer. Okay. So these questions are very important, whether you are a fresher, whether you are a 3 4 year or 5 year or any area of experiences, you may face this type of questions from your interviewer. So that's why I have started this series, so that you people get learned in detail and how you can answer the questions, so that you can impress your interviewer. Starting from here, I discuss about the difference between procedure function, difference between delete and truncate, difference between table and view. Each questions are very much important, so watch all full video from the beginning to the end, so that you can understand it well. I have discussed many things inside the each video, and difference between row ID and row num, difference between primary key and foreign key. These all questions are very much important for any in Oracle interview positions, like SQL developer, PL/SQL developer, or database tester, or any kind of database role. Even for a database administrator role also. And this is very much important concept, and for advanced topics you can watch out. Okay. Statistics, these are about two statistics discussed in detail, and there are many other videos, and I have already published one interview tips for top 15 interview tips. You can just watch the full. Today what I will discuss is, I just wanted to say you right now. We'll discuss today, this is very much important question you can face in an interview. That is, what is a dual table in Oracle, and what is the use of dual table. Okay. So we'll discuss in detail, and we'll learn in detail what is a dual table, what is the advantage of dual table, why it is required, and what is the use of dual table. Okay. So now and also you will see some examples, hands-on examples about these concepts and in practical. Okay. So dual table, what is a dual table? So dual table actually a dummy table which Oracle creates automatically when Oracle is installed in your system. And when Oracle is installed in your system, all the data dictionary tables will be created, and in the same time dual table also created. Okay. So dual is basically a data dictionary table, and it is very much important. So dual table, basically the structure of a dual table is a one row with a one column, and I'm just writing here, you can follow this. So dual is a table which automatically creates when Oracle database installed and data dictionary installed tables created. Okay, so dual is a table is which is automatically created, which automatically creates when Oracle database installed and data dictionary tables created. Okay, at that time dual table also created. Okay, creates. Okay, so now dual is a data dictionary table. You can say dual is a data dictionary table. Okay, so dual is a data dictionary table, you can say. And dual table basically holds one column and one row. So dual table has one row, one column named dummy. So dual table column name is dummy, and it has only one record, that value is x. Okay, so dual has a dual table has one column which named as dummy, and only one record with value x. Okay, so if I go to the SQL prompt, and we can see, and very much important point here I have to mention. So dual is a data dictionary table, and it is dual table is owned by sys. Okay, sys is a system generated schema when database is installed. This schema already created by default, sys and system and other some tables, other some schemas already created by the Oracle database. So dual table is owned by the sys user. Okay, but dual table can be accessible, but dual table can be accessible by any user. Okay, okay, so any user can access dual table, though it owned by the sys user. Okay, now I'll go to the SQL command prompt. I'll see if I can access the dual table. So which user I have logged in? I have logged in x user. I can so how I can find how I can know that which user I can logged in. So that command is show user. So I am using x user, so I am connected with x user. Okay, so I am not connected with sys, but dual table in the sys user. Okay, so but I can access dual table. So let's see. So how what is the use of dual table? I am explaining it in the practical session. This just going to SQL prompt. I'll show you what is the use of dual table. Okay, so dual table can be used to get the calculation of an calculated value of an expression. Okay, one popular use is calculation of certain values or expression. Dual table is used, if you say you have to add 2 plus 3. Okay, so you just type dual select 2 plus 3 from dual. Okay, so it will give you 5. So any type of computation or expression you can just compute the value of any expression or computation, any calculation value. You can just use dual table to find the calculated value or expression. Okay, so this is the one use. And next is like I can another example I can show you. Any multiplication, division, any number of calculated values, you can just find the result using the dual table. This is the one use. And number two is you can use dual table to get the system date. Like system date is a variable which is the sysdate function is used for that. So if I if I write select star from select, let's I have to know today's date. Okay, so to today's date to know the today's date, there is a function sysdate. Function is there in Oracle, so we have to use sysdate function. So I'll use dual table for to get the current date. So select sysdate from dual. Okay, so if I run this command, it will give me current date of the server. Okay, so today's is 17th February. So it is showing 17th February 12:40 am. Okay, so yes, this is use very much useful for this. It is very useful to get the current date, or maybe any date operations, current date plus any future date. We can use this same command as same command. And next is we can use it selecting various pseudo columns like car val, next val, which are used basically in sequence. If you know the sequence, you know that there is a car val and next val concept, and you can just write select sequence name dot next val from dual like this. I have no sequence created, so it will not I can execute it, but I am just showing you how you can use that. Let's my sequence name is my sequence seq. Let's say my sequence name is my seq dot next val, nextval from dual. So it will give you the next sequential value of that sequence. Okay, and to get next val is a pseudo column. Okay, and to find out the another pseudo column value like car val, this is related to sequence also. Once a sequence number is generated, we can access by the sequence using the car val. So to access this also, I can use dual table. So if I select my sequence dot car val from dual, so it will give me the current sequence number. Okay, so these are the use of dual table. And what others is like others we can any pseudo columns we can use like user ID or UID. Okay, we can find out the UID also. Let's say I shown you the which user I am connected with, right? Show user. So user is XC user. So using the dual table also I can find it out. Okay, so how we can find it? Select user from dual. If I write select user from dual and I can press enter, so it is showing my username. Okay, and I can know the also the user ID. So the command is select this UID, that is UID from dual. Okay, so my user ID is 48. Okay, so this kind of very much useful this for this kind of queries and finding out the values from dual table. Dual table only returns one value at a time, so if you use a table like EP, just summarizing that how I can use the dual table. What is the use of dual table? Dual table is used to find any calculated values or expressions. Second is dual table can be used to get the current date from the system, that is sysdate, and any date from the means future date we can calculate also by sysdate function, sysdate plus 2 or 3 or any future date, like this. And next is we can use the we can get the pseudo column value like next val, sequence dot next val or sequence dot car val. These are the pseudo columns, so we can get the values of pseudo columns using the dual table. And also we can get the other values like user ID, username from the dual table. And next one very much interesting thing is that by dual table we can print to display any sequential number, like I'll show you a very interesting thing here. Let's say you have to display 1 to 10. Okay, you have to display number 1 to 10, okay, in the as a output from your query. So what would be your query? So I'm showing you how you can print or display number from 1 to 10 using a select statement or query. Okay, so I'm writing here select level from dual connect by level less than equal 10. If I write this query and run it, you see I can get the number, sequential number from 1 to 10. So this is very much interesting query. You can get any number of values 1 to 10, 1 to 100, 1 to many, whatever number you like, how many number you like, you can print like the same query. Okay, so I think you understand well what is the dual table and what is the purpose of using dual table, and how many way we can use the dual table. Okay, so the use of dual table I have shown here practically for different queries and purposes, right? So if I think you have understand all well. So that's all for this tutorial session. And if I think you will reply to an interviewer for any kind of question of regarding the dual table, and also you can already seen the examples. I have shown you many examples using for use of dual table. If you just get this learning useful, and if you like this video, you just give a like, and also Just comment below yeah, how this video was, and how it was useful for you for your learning. Okay, and also just give a like, and if you like this video, that will always improve the quality of my video, and that is very much important for me. Your comment, your feedback is very much important for me. That will definitely help me to improve my quality of video. And also I just wanted to mention you that write your comment, okay, how the video was helpful for you, and how you can get means this useful, this video is useful. Okay, and if you like this video, just give a like and subscribe my channel, and hit the notification bell, so that when I upload my next video, you just get the notification for my new video, and you can learn from that. Okay, and just comment below, and any comment, any suggestion, you can just give in the writing. And if it is useful, just give a like and subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends and colleagues. My tutorial channel link, you just type rksoftacademy, and you will get entered into my channel. So you can just give this link, and that is videos link. You can just give this link to your friends and colleagues, so that they can also watch all these videos, and get knowledge, and improve themselves in the Oracle technology. Okay, and if you and also as I told you that I am a technical trainer and corporate trainer also. So I provide training for complete Oracle SQL training, complete PL SQL programming training, Oracle forms and reports, client server development, application development training, Oracle database design and architecture training, and also database administration training, and also Unix shell scripting training. Okay, these kind of trainings I provide. And if you want to join my interactive training session, any of this training, you just go to about page, and there is a contact mention here. You can see here my contact is mentioned, and also email is mentioned. You can just contact me in WhatsApp or email me, whatever your requirement is, which course you wanted to join, because Oracle is very much demanded language and programming language and technology also. And if you want to learn from the basic to the advanced level, you can just join in my online interactive session. I am taking right now online interactive sessions, and also there are weekend batch and weekdays batch also, and also weekend batch also. You can join as per your preferable time, and also you can just watch my website. There is a link of my website, rksoftacademy website. So just click over there, and you will get into the rksoftacademy. Whatever courses I provide, you can just see there. Okay, these are all the courses I provide. This is my training institute, and you can just check here. And there is a if you want to join my tutorial session, you can just email me, as I shown in my YouTube channel. In the about page, there is a email mentioned here, and also my contact number also mentioned here. Also in my contact section in my website, that is software training on rksoftacademy. This is my training institute, and you can just contact me here. This is the my number, and email also the same. Also there is a small process which I will tell you if you contact me, and after that small process you can just join me on my online training session. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial session. Just keep watching my videos and give your comment after watching the video. If you like it, just give a like and just hit the notification bell, subscribe my channel, share it with your friends and colleagues so that they can it can help for them. And that's all. Thank you very much for watching, and bye.